Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car wash soaps that deliver a showroom shine right in your driveway. A quality soap does more than just clean. It safely lifts grime without stripping your wax or sealant. I've tested dozens of formulas, from high-foaming pH-balanced shampoos to ceramic-infused washes that boost gloss. And trust me, the right suds can make washing faster while protecting your clear coat. You'll see options that leave a slick, hydrophobic finish and others that are incredibly gentle on wraps and coatings. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Armor All. Armor All is the perfect solution for drivers who want to restore their vehicle's interior and exterior to a like-new, showroom shine with minimal effort. Featuring a powerful formula that cleans, protects, and revitalizes surfaces, this essential product guards against harmful UV rays, cracking, and fading caused by sun exposure. Made from premium conditioning agents, it penetrates deep into vinyl, plastic, and rubber to restore rich color and a sleek, non-greasy finish. Equipped with an easy-to-use spray mechanism, it allows for quick, even application on dashboards, tires, trim, and bumpers without streaking. Its lightweight consistency ensures a smooth, professional look that lasts for weeks. Turtle Wax. Turtle Wax is the perfect solution for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who want to achieve a professional-grade shine with minimal effort. Featuring advanced hydrophobic polymers, this premium formula creates a durable protective layer that repels water, dirt, and road grime for months. Made from high-quality carnauba wax and synthetic sealants, it delivers a deep, mirror-like gloss that enhances your vehicle's paintwork while shielding it from harmful UV rays and environmental contaminants. Its easy application process ensures a smooth, streak-free finish without the need for extensive buffing or specialized tools. Whether you are maintaining a daily commuter or a weekend showpiece, Turtle Wax provides superior protection and lasting brilliance. 3D. The 3D product is perfect for professionals and creatives seeking an immersive and highly detailed visual experience. Featuring cutting-edge stereoscopic technology, it delivers stunning depth and realism that transforms any project or presentation. Made from premium, lightweight materials, the device is both durable and portable, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any workspace or on-the-go setup. Equipped with intuitive controls, it allows for effortless adjustments, making complex 3D modeling or interactive viewing accessible to users of all skill levels. Its sleek design minimizes eye strain while maximizing clarity, enhancing productivity and engagement. Whether you are designing intricate prototypes or exploring virtual environments, the 3D product combines precision, comfort, and versatility, making it an essential tool for anyone demanding true-to-life depth and performance. Meguiar's 48 ounces. Meguiar's 48-ounce car wash soap is perfect for enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a spotless, scratch-free finish with every wash. Featuring a rich, high-lather formula that gently lifts and suspends dirt away from the paint, this concentrate ensures a safe and thorough clean every time. Made from premium, pH-balanced ingredients, it protects your vehicle's wax or sealant while delivering a brilliant, streak-free shine that enhances the paint's depth. Its 48-ounce bottle provides excellent value, offering multiple washes without taking up excessive storage space. Whether you are maintaining a show car or simply protecting your daily driver, the gentle lubrication reduces the risk of swirl marks and scratches during the wash process. P&S Professional Detail Products. P&S Professional Detail Products are perfect for automotive enthusiasts and detailing professionals who demand showroom-quality results from their car care regimen. Featuring innovative, water-based formulas that are safe for all surfaces, these products deliver superior cleaning power without harsh chemicals or strong odors. Made from premium-grade ingredients, the line includes everything from potent iron removers like Iron X to gentle yet effective snow foams and bead makers that enhance gloss and protection. Equipped with advanced surfactants, each solution effortlessly breaks down dirt, brake dust, and road grime while preserving clear coats and delicate finishes. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a full-time detailer, these pH-balanced and biodegradable products offer exceptional performance and a streak-free, high-gloss shine. Mothers. The Mother's Day gift collection is perfect for anyone looking to celebrate the incredible woman who raised, supported, and inspired them. Featuring a thoughtfully curated selection of premium items, From elegant jewelry and cozy loungewear to luxurious skincare sets, this collection offers something for every unique personality and style. Made from high-quality materials, each gift is designed to provide lasting comfort, beauty, and joy, ensuring she feels truly cherished and appreciated. Whether she loves a relaxing spa day at home, a stylish new accessory, or a heartfelt keepsake, these gifts deliver both practicality and emotional warmth. Its versatile range allows you to choose the perfect token of gratitude without the stress of endless searching. Meguiar's. The Meguiar's product is perfect for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a showroom-quality shine with minimal effort. Featuring advanced microabrasive technology, it safely removes fine scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation without damaging the clear coat. Made from a premium, non-drying formula, it glides smoothly across the surface for a flawless finish every time. Whether you are restoring a neglected paint job or maintaining a pristine vehicle, this versatile solution delivers deep gloss and long-lasting protection. Its easy application and wipe-off design save you time while reducing the risk of hazing or streaks. Lightweight and compatible with both hand and machine use, it fits seamlessly into any detailing routine. Meguiar's. Meguiar's is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a showroom-quality finish for their vehicles. Featuring advanced formulas like their proprietary microfiber technology and premium carnauba wax blends, this brand delivers superior paint protection and a deep, mirror-like shine that lasts. Made from carefully balanced compounds, Meguiar's products effectively remove swirl marks, oxidation, and light scratches while nourishing the clear coat for long-term durability. Whether you are a professional detailer or a weekend warrior, its user-friendly application ensures effortless results with minimal effort. The lightweight sprays and easy-to-grip bottles make detailing convenient and efficient, allowing you to achieve professional-grade results from the comfort of your driveway. Adams Polishes. Adams Polishes is perfect for automotive enthusiasts and detailers who demand show-quality results from their car care products. Featuring advanced, pH-balanced formulas, this premium brand delivers superior cleaning power without stripping waxes or sealants, while its innovative spray wax technology provides a deep, streak-free shine in minutes. Made from high-quality, non-abrasive ingredients, the entire line is safe for all paint types and clear coats, ensuring lasting protection against environmental contaminants. Whether you are maintaining a daily driver or a garage queen, these versatile products offer exceptional slickness and gloss with effortless application. Its user-friendly design and professional-grade performance simplify the detailing process, saving you time while achieving concours-level results. Meguiar's. Meguiar's is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a showroom-quality finish from their detailing products. Featuring advanced formulations like their proprietary microfiber technology, these products gently lift and trap dirt without scratching paint, while their rich, lubricating formulas ensure a smooth, streak-free application every time. Made from premium, car-safe ingredients, Meguiar's delivers superior gloss and deep, wet-looking shine that enhances your vehicle's color and clarity. Whether you are using their ultimate quick wax for a fast boost or their mirror glaze line for professional-grade correction, each product is designed for ease of use and long-lasting protection.